What is up, YouTube? Welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, welcome, and if you're a returning viewer, welcome back. Today we're doing something fun to the E93 M3. We got, if you can see over there, can you see it? Can you see it? We got Macth X-Pipe that we will be installing on the E93. Who's that? What's up, Mai?
What's up, Mai?
We're trying to make the car louder today. Right now the car is currently has a muffler delete, and that's about it. This shit is loud as fuck already, but we're gonna go straight pipe. What do you think about that? Straight pipe. Are you a straight pipe Carter Chi? Are you a straight pipe soju? Cause shut the fuck up, soju. Alright, so the car is in the air now, just like how all of our other videos started, by jacking up the car. But these are the tools you need. You probably need more. I think you need like an Allen key still. But we're gonna start off with this and see what we're missing. Hey man, whose rat was it chomped off part of my freaking liner? Huh? Which one of you rats did it? But here's what the current OEM exhaust look like. Oh, it's a little hot down here. You got your primary cats going onto your secondary cat, and then the last owner chop off the resonator and the muffler. But now we're gonna go in and remove all of this, bruh. We ain't no pussy, right, Jim?
Yeah.
Well done.
Okay, first you wanna loosen up these O2 sensors with a 22, I believe. But I don't have a 22, so I'm gonna just use a crescent wrench, or a crescent, the freaking wherever the fuck this is. Hold up, wherever this is, just put it in there. Loosen it. Don't take it off though, cause we'll get to that later. We wanna remove it from the bracket up here, but for now, we just gotta loosen that one. Alright, so after you loosen those O2s, loosen it, not take it off, okay? You want to start removing these bolts for this heat shield. There should be 5 of them. 1, 2, the donut, the jack point, 3, over here, 4, and 5. Just need to lower enough so you get to the bracket right here, or the bracket over here, so you can remove that O2. So once you get the bracket off, or the O2 off the bracket, all you do is just pull it out. Easy. Boom, easy. It's not like we cut ourselves on the heat shield or anything. Same thing on the other side. Oh, I can't breathe down here. Alright, so after you take off the O2 sensors, next up are those right there. The bolt that connects the X-Pipe to the headers.
Now the 10.
Huh?
Tell you it's not a 10.
I think it's a 14 on the back and a 12 and the 12 nut. If I am not mistaken. After that, you just move downwards to these brackets. I mean these bolts that connects to this bracket. All right, and then you keep. After that, you move down to these. Oh no, don't do this yet. Loosen that back one first, and then you loosen this one. Because once you loosen this one, the whole thing is coming down, bruh. And make sure you got someone down here with you, or at least a jack or something to prevent it from fucking killing you, unless you could bench a whole exhaust. Alright, so we got the quiet pipes next to the loud pipes. Now all you gotta do tonight. Jimmy said you're all about to get piped tonight, bruh. Now all you do is take out your O2 sensors and swap it over to the new one.
You got them broke loose already?
30-minute job. While Jimmy's swapping over the O2s, all you gotta do is take out, where is it? Oh, why is it so zoomed in? Alright, take out these two nuts, 1, 2, move this bracket over to that. Easy. Alright, so before we put it on, we gotta have to hear it with the open headers, bro. Here you go.
Oh shit, you're gonna start it? Jimmy wants to hear it.
This is for YouTube.
That's it.
Yeah, it sounds pretty good.
Loud. It sounds like a truck.
For real. Nah, it sounds a little bit more refined than that.
It sounds like a truck. I don't like it. Yeah. So there's the open headers. Now all you gotta do, put everything back in reverse. And make sure you don't tighten everything until your exhaust is lined up. I'm gonna have to come down here and help me. All right, y'all. So we just finished with the install. I'm gonna turn it on real quick just to hear it, but then we're gonna go out and do like couple flybys, couple revs for you to hear it.
Hey, sound pretty good. Sound pretty good. Get a couple revs going. Get a couple revs going. That's loud.
That's loud.
Oh, a little bit bright. Initial thoughts? Oh shit! It's definitely louder. I didn't hear it at first until that first shit. Oh my god.
So raspy. We're putting on the muffler for sure.
Yep. Man, that's how you motivate yourself to put on a muffler.
Jesus Christ.
You go too loud. Nothing else to record, man. Down shit's so loud.
Don't worry, here, down shit right here.
Man, that shit's screaming.
Oh my god. Shit's loud as fuck.
Man, if you guys want it loud.
We need to put on a muffler ASAP.
You want to start recording? Alright, I messed up like 3 shots already, so I'm gonna try to get this one. Try to get this one right. Loud. Alright, walking back in because Tony can't pick me up. There was a cop out there. My goodness, shit was loud, bruh. But yeah, he went in and fucking motorcycle cops showed up, so we dipping.
Alright, so we're back at the house now. Hopefully you guys got a good listen to what the Macth Schnell X-Pipe sounds like. Straight pipe. In my opinion, that shit sounds like ass, bro. You got rasp all the way from 2K all the way up to 4K, just all rasp. As I was turning to my my neighborhood, I came out and there's like 3 motor cops just looking around the neighborhood seeing what the fuck is going on. All the Karens around my neighborhood came out of their house just to see what was going on. So that is an indicator that tells me my car is too damn loud. Alright guys, I'm gonna sit on it and think about what I'm gonna do next regarding the exhaust. But thank you for watching like always. I'll catch you in the next one. Lates.